Mm, 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 mm.
Whoops, left that
I'm hitting
on.
these apples. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, baby. Give me 61K. Just do it for daddy. Look at render. We're rendering right now. Oh my God.
It was massive. I'm gonna bid that, by the way. Anybody who does futures. Ugh.
Right around here. Who's the fucking cuck that's got all their orders up here? Oh, dog. Oh, dude, did the guy take his 97K sell wall off? Oh, I think he did. He's a little pussy. Ha ha. He did. Yo, that 97K buy, it's gone. Oh God, we're going so much higher. Dude, there's nothing above 50K sell walls. Yeah, this is a pocket rocket. Let's look at Bitcoin.
Arm forgot how to go up. Fucking
Bitcoin's
said he back to 127
straggling right
already.
here. Jesus Christ, look at all these orders on Bitcoin here. Holy shit. Let's see the millions. Oh, people are just snatching this up. What's the ETF inflow right now? Oh God, getting Soldier Boyed on some fucking Maras.
I just filled on Apple.
Bottom right the fuck here, please.
Oh, we're over the weekly level, bro. We're going to fucking 35. We break this and we're gone. Like, if we can be honest with ourselves, dude, this shit little range we have on Mara today is unacceptable.
Well, I'm gonna watch Apple cook and possibly cut Arm later, so we'll see what happens.
I went long at 1900 or 17,900.
What are chips doing? Dude, chips are fucking doing shit right now.
Music
Oh, here we go.
stop.
Give us 61. Give us 61. There we go. We just tapped it. 61. Send my Mara shit. Don't fuck with me. I'm about to fucking add more, bro. If we can just break out. Come on, break previous high right here. If we can break yesterday's previous high. That's all I want to see. Oh, look at this dog shit range right here. I mean, we gapped up from come on. These after hour colors are not making me okay. Oh no, no, no. No, 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 no light color theme. That is the devil. Settings, canvas. And I'll give it that much. There we go. That's a little bit better. That's what we finished out yesterday. 30. Ran up 32. We're going to 35. Maybe not today, but by Friday, might roll these out to Fridays. What is that, cheddar flow?
Yeah, man, but I filter it so it's not like
Is it
everything.
is it take away like multi-legs and shit like that?
So I only focus on the sweeps, right? The thing about sweeps is you need to understand the other stuff like the spreads, but I think this is enough for us right now. The it's just more like look at the chart, see what's going on.
You think it's better than unusual whales?
Who needs that combo with me and Anthony? Like we just compare. Oh, actually, when he listens, sorry, 90% of the time he misses me. Well, coin's been getting hit, and JD just said he was talking about it. I mean, I'm in those 220s.
Why is that up there? Next weekly level is 3584. Let's make that there. Let's lock that. One below is 3008. That's close enough. All right. Oh. I want to take a rendering long right about now.
AI puts food. Y'all think what should I get today?
Nothing up here.
I said food, bro.
There's not really much size on render on these orders.
Which one are you looking at?
Render. I'm looking on Trading Light. It's kind of like
What's
Bookmap
up?
for crypto, which I wish I had Bookmap through Thinkorswim still.
I got Bookmap once upon a time ago. It's all right.
No, bro,
It's
it's
just
amazing. It made my trading 10 bajillion times better. I knew right where price was going. You could just,
FSLR calls forever.
I just know if I go straight to the platform, it's gonna be way more expensive.
It's like $400 or like $100 to maintain, and it's like
Then you got to pay for the data providers, I'm pretty sure.
it's like I think all in I was paying like 150 a month.
Yeah, it was a lot nicer paying 40. Fucking Schwab's like, gotta get their nut off. Bro, they've had, how long has Schwab had it? Like 4 months, 5 months now?
Bro, the transaction took so long. It was insane. I work deal side, and I've never like they just took. Oh, they hit the 220 Tesla calls for next week. I thought that was going. Never mind. I'm gonna fuck with. Oh
Dude,
yeah, they took forever.
dude, are y'all checking out like CVX, Oxy, anything? Eli,
I'm.
you ever take any Oxy position up?
I have Oxy. Here, I'll put in the chat.
God, this render candle is not looking nice on this daily. I mean, this Mara candle is not looking nice on the daily. This is quite absurd that we're fucking pushing 61K and Mara's like, meh. It's not making me feel good about their earnings.
You see what Oxy calls? I share those. I'm in those. I'm heavy in Oxy Con too, but I've had it for a while.
Yeah, I played Oxy last summer and we fucking destroyed it.
I played it the day he announced, and I bought a car that day. Now that fucking car, I gotta go fix the
Dude,
tire.
I was in and I had a thesis that like what he was going for was the carbon capture credit fucking bill that hadn't even passed yet. And what do you know, Oxy got the $1.2 billion contract like a year later. Pretty ironic.
That's why I bought PNW.
Pan W, Palo Alto Networks.
All right.
Where did you put it at? Oh, the
And the-
62 5s for April. Oxy. Even if I have Oxy on my chart.
added the fucking base here. But I'm flat on the position, which isn't bad.
The 62 5s for April.
I'm just bought puts on VKTX. 65 puts for March PopX.
Oh, dude, this premium chart looks fucking ready on Oxy.
Yeah, what do you have? I got like it's like 6. I mean, I don't have it open. Let me get it open.
I just love looking at the premium charts, like charting out on the premium charts a lot.
All right, I got next up on Oxy is 60.
Oh, you said you have
60
65s.
I got
Oh.
63.5, but
Either way,
I'm
the
very
65s and the 62.5s, they both look really ready to go. Not gonna lie. And they're mad cheap. Ivy's low. It's got good open interest. It's got good volume. I'm gonna have to fuck with these.
here's my thing on Oxy. Nobody likes to trade it because of the way it trades, but
I
it's a
love
solid.
Oxy, bro. You don't know, bro. Like Oxy's one of my fan favorites. Like you can ask the last fucking year, I was like an Oxy fanatic. Even when like people were like trying to dunk on me, but then they just like end up dunking on themselves, which is fucking hilarious, bro. What was
I've
that
been
guy's
buying it
name?
and I kept buying it on top of that. And then I fucking bought my car with it, so fuck off, everybody. That paid for my X5. Dude,
Nice.
I made 100 grand that day. I went and bought my X5. That wasn't what I made in fucking. Oh, look at SMCI, guys. Where's is he gone?
Oh yeah, it was Ace Sox. That was the guy. He was like, it's an overcrowded trade, bro. I was like, overcrowd my asshole, bro. This thing's gonna fucking rip. I have an actual
Dude,
chart where I've
They're
charted out
selling,
every time.
they're selling the video puts for this week or for March 8th.
yeah, and March 1st.
I ended up adding the Goldman calls from Avgo.
All right, here's what we stand. Oxy calls are up like almost 40%, 35%. Yo, and they're sweeping snow puts, by the way.
Mara's just cucking me in a bad way right now. Glad I just went small size on this. But I will say that render looks honestly good when it doesn't trade normally with Bitcoin whatsoever. It's in this giant fucking pennant.
Let's go, Meta. Bottom.
What's up, guys? Back from Vegas.
You're in Vegas?
Yeah, I was in Vegas for a work conference.
Fire.
I think I even made some money.
Gambling?
No. Oh, I did win 7 G's just fucking around.
Fire.
Believe me, that never happens. But had a lot of good meetings with some prospective clients. Very happy about it.
Fire.
Great start to the week. Did good on my Apex this morning.
Yo, when
Let's see.
Apex is gonna have like a fucking 90% sale come so I can buy like 50 accounts.
They have it every other week, right?
Yeah, they have it every week.
They have
Yeah,
like an 80%, then they have a 70% because
that's right.
I'm actually like sponsored by Funded Engineer, but they did some real fucking wild shit. And I'm not really sure like if it was fraud or what the fuck, but like I can't remove my affiliate badge myself. It's impossible. You can't do it. So that's always fun.
I stopped using Apex. I don't go for both of them. I got my money out. I trade my own now. It's kind of working out better.
Honestly,
I fucking
it's just like free money.
yeah. I mean,
It,
I just use it to make money, and it's fine. I agree. It's like I'm not gonna deal with all their shit every time. Like fucking trail stops, man, was bullshit.
the trailing stop is such a fucking grift, bro. Like, you know what's funny is that I was on my Forex fund and I was still profiting, but then when I wanted to do a 30K withdrawal, they were like, "Oh, you're a felon. We can't pay you." It's like you've been paying me, but it's just it turns out that they're just complete fraudulent.
Yeah, man.
And then FTMO just shut down my 500K account because I'm an American.
Hey, default. I got my fucking Palau ID.
Yo, let's go. So did I. I just
Right.
I'm actually on Bybit right now.
I'm gonna look into this crypto trading futures, whatever it is.
Crypto trading
I don't
futures.
think this. The stuff, the perps they have. I'm
Oh yeah,
looking
yeah,
for.
the perpetuals. Yeah, man. Have you never traded perps?
No, not
Bro,
really.
you'll love it. It's amazing. The contracts never expire. You could leave them open forever. They don't roll, they don't do anything. They're perpetually forever.
That sounds like such bad news for me.
It sounds like such great news, bro. What are you talking about?
For me, I'm saying like it just sounds so.
Just stick to low leverage and high equity. So if you put more margin, I mean, that's how all really successful crypto perp traders do, is they up their equity that they're putting into the position, and then they never use more than like 5, maybe 10x, and that's it. And 10x is kind of pushing it. Um, but if you stick to the low, and I mean, it's going to equate either way, whether you do 50x and use a smaller amount, or if you use, a higher amount of equity and then you use like a lower amount, as long as it all balances out to the same notational value, you're just better off.
I'm gonna keep it small. I'll put some money into it today.
Oh, if you're gonna make a Bybit, bro, use my fucking thing, bro. Because I'm
Sure,
sponsored.
send it over.
I'm sponsored by them
I'll send it
now,
over.
so gonna announce
I'll
that
do it later
sponsorship
tonight.
soon. That'll be fun.
I'll create the account tonight. I gotta use my fucking Nord ID or something, Nord VPN.
Yeah, definitely do that.
I don't think this SMCI is working out.
Here comes the bottoming flow. Holy shit! Look at that 2.9 for the 80 calls. Sorry guys, I was looking at other shit, but go look at the flow for the past like couple minutes. Those TQQs came in again. SPX 5400 calls. I don't know what the fuck. That's a block though. Apple call block. Sweeps were. Oh, this is pretty big.
Overtrader, I threw it in chat there. I can just DM it to you if you want. Or I can just text it to you.
Yeah, just text it to me. Could you do that, please? I
Yeah,
appreciate that, man.
I got you. Damn, my lights on my truck stayed on all night. That sucks. Oh, those guys want to meet with me today? Those Dub Invest guys want to meet with me today at like 4:30.
Yeah, have a conversation. See what they say. So
Yeah.
there's a lot of promising things there, you know. But remember, they're a startup, but got a lot of big name investors there. They got a lot of big name guys.
Is it NDA or can they like disclose?
Uh, I think that's public information. I know I'm not allowed to say anything, but I'm only telling you who they already put on TV. But there's a huge list. But what they put on CNBC the other day was, I
I
think,
know
Robert is a co-founder.
I saw what's his name was on there, fucking
Steven, yeah,
Keon.
Keon was there too. Yep, I was there as well. I'm having dinner with them sometime this week. You should join us. We have a company tour.
I know they were like, "Hey, you want to go out for a coffee?" I was like, "Bro, I live in North Carolina, bro. I'm in the Outer Banks. I can't just stop by for a coffee."
Yes, you can. Just take your jet,
Yeah, yeah, let's take your
your
jet.
crypto jet.
Let's
Yeah,
take your
right.
jet. It's probably gonna be some pullbacks in the crypto market after such a pump. I caught a lot of the
I'm
move
still in
already.
Metis. I'm
Dude,
still in Metis and low 80s.
Metis was such a good fucking trade, bro.
I'm still in it. Hey, I put 170 into it. I'm just gonna fucking ride it up, see what happens.
170K?
Yep,
No, you fucking didn't.
I surely did.
Jesus Christ, where's my slice? Holy shit, bro.
If it goes 10x, don't worry, I'll take care of you, my friend.
Dude, oh my God. Now you put the fucking pressure on me. I'm gonna have to call the team. Like, look, guys, I'm gonna need y'all to Sam Bankman-Fried this bitch.
I'm hearing a lot of bad things about layer twos, though, man. I saw somebody on reposting Vitalik saying that L2s isn't as effective or something like
Where's
that.
Urshot? Is
Kinda
Bro,
Urshot?
scaring me a little bit.
Vitalik says that shit because his layer one
Yeah,
sucks
I'm still here.
fucking dick.
Alright.
Like they're
Yeah.
making layer twos to try to fix layer one, but layer one doesn't even work.
I just need fucking Loopring to go up too. I got a lot in there as well.
In what?
Loopring?
Oh, loopring? Yeah, you told me. I haven't checked the chart on that lately.
It sucks.
It
I'm
sucks.
bagged on that.
Let me
I'm
pull it up.
bagged on that.
What's the ticker? LCX?
LRC. Yeah, LRC.
Nah, bro. This thing's about to do some numbers, bro. Hold it. Just
Oh,
hold it.
tell me more, brother. Tell
Hold
me
it.
more, man.
Look at this chart. Let me tell you something about this chart right here. Actually, let me pull this up on my new fucking liquidity wave shit. Was it LCR?
LRC.
LRC. And go on the weekly. Ba, 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 ba. Oh yeah, dude. This thing's gonna fucking go. All I
Oh,
need to do is
gee.
see this. If this makes a higher high right here, then it's starting this bullish reversal. The liquidity trend looks really fucking good. it's just like it's not talked about much, so it's kind of a late bloomer. But I definitely wouldn't cheat this thing. Because once we start going
Bag.
turbo bull, bro, I mean, it's like all bets are off. Like anything that hasn't gone yet, it's gonna go. Here, I'll send you this chart right now.
So I'm also in at Bitcoin at 42,000. I bought the IBIT. I went
Here,
pretty big on that
just
too.
threw
I
this
bought
in
the
chart. That's what their chart looks like right now. I love these charts. I call them the hockey sticks. Because if you zoom in, it's like a giant fucking hockey stick. Um, as long as it keeps this bullish reversal trend, makes a higher high up here, it's going to struggle around like 33 cents. It's going to pull back as long as it retests around like 29, 28, and kind of holds that area. As long as it doesn't make a lower low, then you're good to go. It would seem like.
Oh, please, brother.
What's your average on there if you don't mind?
I'm about I think 80 cents.
Oh, bro, you'll get there. I mean,
75.
you're gonna hit heavy
Easy.
resistance. Here, I'll chart it out for you right now.
Yeah. I bought this thing like in 2021.
You're missing fucking stock.
36, 69.
Oh, I like that Nvidia candle.
Yeah, we need Nvidia to do some fucking Action Jackson up in this bitch, dude. Alright, lock that in. Where's their most recent? So the next weekly level it needs to pass. Boom, boom. So you want to see it break over 30 cent first, which is right around these previous high candle closes, which it kind of tapped. I want to see this ADX over 30, which it's a cunt hair away from. It's at like 27. It looks pretty good, honestly. If I knew anything about the tech and I had a shitload more liquidity, I would maybe touch it, but I'm not going to.
It's just one of the layer twos that are out there. They don't make their own coins like Metis does. It's just it's like Litecoin of layer twos. That's all it is.
What made you invest in it?
GameStop. Go fucking
GameStop?
fiasco. Yeah,
What did that
got
have to do with
bagged.
GameStop?
They were GameStop NFT Markets numero uno fucking coin, and then they announced a partnership with Loopring and IMX. And IMX is the one that just went fucking 4x.
Yeah,
I
IMX is
became
gonna do
heavy thinking that day.
numbers, bro.
Yeah, I picked the wrong one.
I mean, I don't have any IMX either, you know. I missed the bag on that. It's all right. There's plenty of fucking trades, dude.
On the daily, Metis is making that fucking beautiful fucking bull flag on the fucking daily.
Let me see.
Pulled back like 7 days. It's fucking looking really good. I think this thing's gonna hit 150 like in the next week or two.
Yeah, I could see that happening. I have a pretty decent sized bag of Metis. And I actually have one of their DEX tokens net, which has not been doing that great. I should have sold it on that initial massive pump, but that's all right. I mean, honestly, there's so much more money that's going to come into this market. It's not even funny.
My bet is on the Ethereum ETF. That's kind of what I'm.
And didn't we do something with Domino's Pizza?
That's
That
kinda
might
where I'm
not
at.
happen for a minute.
I'm hoping May, but if it's July, hey, that's just more time to ramp up. You know.
No.
Here comes SMCI.
I thought I heard the names.
Yeah, you're going to hit big resistance around like 68 cents. Here, I'll send you this chart. Actually, let's see what the order book's looking like on this.
Why don't you post some stuff on LRC and pump it for me?
I do not
Huh? Why don't you
know
do that?
anything about that.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I do not know.
That's the,
My sister, number 2 prostitute in all of Kazakhstan. Yeah, this thing actually is probably going to get a big movement here. If it breaks this level, it's going to move up to, I mean, a big movement, but like, that's a 10% move. If it moves to 33 to 36, that would be a pretty significant move for this coin, and that would put in a higher high, which is kind of what I would additionally like to see. So it's just starting its bullish reversal trend. You want to see this hit right up here. So yeah, that's what you want to look for. These are the levels I would be watching for on that. I would put this up here.
Thank you, but I'm gonna save this.
Those levels are primo. Primo. Okay, let's see what's NVIDIA doing. Actually, let's pull up the old 8 chart. Is my 8 chart fucked up? This is not good. Alright, let's see. Let's link up all these cursors.
Hey, everyone, look at Geo.
Geo. Bro, I can't remember how to like synchronize all these on the different charts. Okay, well, I guess that's close enough. Yeah, why are all these not zoom at the same time? That's bearish as fuck. So Nvidia is down here in this demand zone. Let's go to the daily on everything. Hope VIX stays way down there. I want to see copper futures get a little rippy. God, it's so nice being able to open my office windows now. Oh, I gotta announce this partnership today. Fuck. Classic fucking run up an Asia session to fucking shit price action during fucking market open, bro. Like, what the fuck is everything not ripping for in crypto stocks? We're at 61 fucking K. We just ripped 4K on a daily candle. We should be doing retarded stuff across the board on Mara, CleanSpark, and Coin. I will say Coin is struggling with this fucking supply zone up here. Once it breaks out, Jesus Christ, this thing's gone. What about Riot? Let's pull up Riot. Riot looks like dog shit. Never been a fan of Riot. This is honestly nuts. Come on, coin. Do it for me. Break out. I'm gonna go manually chart these fucking zones on coin. So we're sitting right there, this weekly resistance level at 209.92. I like to draw my supply and demand on the 30 and the 15. Let's take all this extra shit off. Okay, explosive move from right here. Definitely a zone. So we're gonna go from the top to bottom. That's pretty close. Actually, I could just extend this to the right. What am I doing? Where's the next zone? Could sit right there. What do you know? We're right here. We're tapping this fucking. We literally just tapped that. Wow. That's fucking nuts. Dude, am I gonna have to go buy fucking Bookmap from the official source? This is absurd. You know what? What is Schwab's chart looking like? I'm not liking them right now.
Do you have a book map for futures?
All right, cool.
For stocks. I have Bookmap for fucking crypto, and I use Thinkorswim for, I mean, everything else, for like ES and all that shit. I mean, technically I could just chart on ES, but like I want to know for, Coinbase, whatever I want to look up. And I don't know what the fuck they're doing, dude. And unironically, the fucking chart for Schwab looks really good. I don't like that because they're destroying one of my favorite platforms. Yeah, actually, Schwab doesn't look half bad. Schwab doesn't look bad at all. But fuck Schwab. What am I gonna give them money? This is just like, honestly, doesn't make any sense. I've never seen a day where Bitcoin ripped like what did it rip? Like 6K, 5K, what was it? From 57 to 61. So, I mean, what the fuck, dude? This thing just ripped $4,000, dude, and they're acting like we're range bound. That's so fucking weird. I mean, is Mara hitting something right now? Yeah, Mara's in a fucking supply zone. Of course. God damn it. Yeah, I got 30 more minutes and then I'm calling it quits for the day. Should I hold these through earnings? Plus, I'm probably gonna get IV crushed, not gonna lie. Where's the best place to chart implied volatility? As I guess Thinkorswim. Don't know a lot of great places to do that. Dude, Nvidia doesn't look terrible. Just turning green right now. Watch Nvidia catch a ripper off this. There we go. That's how I like my charts. NQ doing? I'm actually gonna add Schwab to my list. Bro, I'm telling you, I want to find some oil stocks right now. XLE looks like it's ready to be a fucking monster. Eli, if you were a betting man, which ticker would you pick on in XLE?
Probably like ExxonMobil. Probably one of the cleaner setups.
ExxonMobil.
I
Did
don't
you
know if
hear,
there's.
was it ExxonMobil or was it Chevron that had they've got like some oil reserves that they don't have full access to that's in like Central America that I think because it's some kind of like embargo they have on the fucking country that I think that
Oh, in
they're
Venezuela.
gonna yeah, I think they're gonna uplift that shit, man.
Yeah. ExxonMobil's probably the cleanest setup.
Oh God, yes. What is Exxon looking like over here on the chat? On the
Probably the best.
relative rotations. Oh, what about COP? I know a lot of people like you know Izzy trades COP a lot. Some people trade Fang. Fang looks like a nut job right now.
Old as fuck. Yeah, COP looks.
CVX. Yo, if you look at the Oxy chart, oh my God, like on the rotation graph, it's
Yeah.
literally not Oxy, what is it? Fuck, I'm tripping. It's XLE. XLE, if you look at it, it's a fucking circle, bro. It's fucking hilarious. Like, look at this shit. This goes back 30 weeks. That is literally time as a flat circle, bro. There we go. Come on, Mara.
What happened to they just fucking slammed Twilio calls?
Twilio. Oh man.
They just slammed Twilio.
What strike?
For April. Slammed. It's gonna get bought out. 1000%.
What strike are you thinking? What strike did they hit?
They bought the 65s and 60s, but I did that I put on like a risk reversal for July.
Oh, bro, this actually looks fire. What
I don't know. The
the
shit that I
fuck?
saw yesterday was like screaming it's gonna get bought out.
Talk to me nicely, bro. Look at this chart. Oh my God, this is my type of chart right here. I fucking nut over these charts. Hockey stick, knuckle puck. Anybody? Anybody? Ducks? Oh, dude, this is a perfect time to slam this shit. Look at that, bro. That is literally picture perfect right there. What are we doing, bro? I'm ready to fucking do something to this thing. Look at that fucking chart, bro. Tell me that's not about to do something disgusting.